In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord password. We'll walk through the exact places to click, what you'll see on screen, and a few quick tips so your account stays secure. First, open Discord and log in. If you're already signed in, you're ready to go. Make sure you're using the official app or the web version at the legitimate site, especially if you're on a shared computer, so you don't enter your credentials on a fake page. Next, look for the small gear icon next to your username. On desktop, you'll find it in the lower left corner near your avatar and status. Clicking that opens User Settings, which is where all of your account controls live. Inside User Settings, go to the section labeled My Account. This page shows your basic details and security options in one place so you can manage them without digging around. Now, choose Change Password. When you click it, a short form appears. You'll be asked for your current password first, which confirms it's really you making the change. Then enter your new password. Aim for something long and unique. A mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols makes it much harder to guess. Avoid using personal information or reusing a password from another site. If you use a password manager, this is a great moment to generate and save a strong password so you won't have to memorize it. After you've filled in both fields, click Save or Done. Discord will apply the change immediately. You may see a confirmation message, and on some devices you might be asked to sign in again. That's normal. Changing your password can log out older sessions to keep your account protected. That's all there is to it. You opened Discord and signed in, went into User Settings with the gear icon, selected My Account, chose Change Password, entered your current and new password, and saved. If you can't remember your current password, use the official password reset option from the login screen instead of guessing over and over. And as a final tip, keep your device secure and beware of links or pop-ups asking for your password. Discord won't ask for it in a random message. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider saving these steps somewhere safe so you can repeat them anytime you need to update your password.